Kutties Chutties. Hi friends, welcome to Kutties Chutties. Today we are going to start with the basics of origami. Origami is an art in which we make paper folding to make different shapes. Today we are going to see the simple forms of origami, and for the beginners this video will be very helpful. Let us start. We will start with a paper board. First we will need 10 into 10 centimeter origami paper. First fold it side by side. Fold it again half into a square. Now take the corner which has 4 corners like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take only one corner and fold it this side. Now there are still 3 corners. Now fold the other 3 corners this side. Now see, there is a cup here. Now let us open the cup and make this into a diamond shape. Now let us open this and press the sides. Now the paper boat is ready for sealing. Now let's do again very fast. I hope all understood how to make a paper boat and what is an origami. In our coming videos, we will put many other origami videos. We will show you many other more origami. We will meet you in